What's a really easy way to learn songs on the guitar? Guitar tablature, or tab for short. I didn't learn how to read music until college, but as a teenager in high school, I used guitar tab all the time. So when you read regular sheet music, it has 5 lines on the staff. Here we have 6 lines because they represent the 6 strings of the guitar. When you play a guitar, you look down at it like this, and so this string up here is the same as this string right here. It's like you're looking down at it. So the thinnest string, the high E string, is up here. Here's the biggest string, the low E string, and it's down here. So you look at it just like you're looking down at the neck when you hold a guitar and when you're playing guitar. We don't have notes written on these lines. We have numbers. So here we have a number 2. That's going to be the 2nd fret of the guitar, which is right here. Which line is it on? This one. So I'm going to count from the low string here. 1, 2, 3. 2nd fret, D string. All right, the next one over there, we have it, the one next to the high E string on the B string, 1st fret. So we go not the highest string, but the next one down. That's the B string, that note right there. That's the one you're going to play. It goes left to right, just like regular sheet music. You're going to play this 2 on the D string. You go to the right, then you're going to play this 1 on the B string. And then you keep going. 3 on the A string, and then 0 on the G string, which means left hand, fretting hand, does nothing. And it's just open. This is not a perfect system. There's not really a specific way to show you the rhythm, how long and how short each note is. If 2 is a long note, you're going to have a lot of space after the 2 before you put the next one. If it's a short note, you're going to put the next one right next to it, closer to it, so you know about how long it is. But if you listen to the song and you look at the tab, you'll get an idea of how long or short each note should be. Instead of saying tab, this one shows you the strings of the guitar. Once again, high E is here, all the way down to the bigger strings, the low E string. So E, A, D, G, B, E. This one is very simple. We have Mary Had a Little Lamb. First note, 0, high E string, right? So 0. Then we have 3rd fret of the B string right there. And then we go down 2 frets on that same string, same line. 1. And then back to the 3. And then back to this original note 3 times. Just so you can see how it looks like when you're looking down on it. Obviously, you're going to play it like this. Let's check out Happy Birthday. We got 0, 0 on the G string. If you're going from the highest string, high E, B, G. 2 zeros on the G string. 2nd fret G string. And then back to 0 on that G string. And then 1 on the B string. So all this is G string. And then 1, 0 on the B string. So 4 notes on this G string, 2 notes on this B string. And finally, what about when you have 2 notes at a time? They're on top of each other, just like you would sheet music. When they get 2 notes on top of each other, you play them at the same time. Same here. We got a 5 and a 5 on the A string and the D string. So 5 and 5 on the A string and the D string. At the same time. 3, 3 on the D string, G string, and then 5, 5 on the D string, G string. You see how these are moved this way from the first part, okay? So, and then another one here like at the beginning, then a 3, 3 like up here. Then we have 6, 6 and the 5, 5. So 6, 6 obviously on the D and G strings, and then back to the 5, 5. 6, 6, 5, 5. Same 2 strings. So, Smoke on the Water uses 2 notes at a time. This is how you would write Smoke on the Water using guitar tab.